Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoho CRM for AI workflow automation, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Zoho CRM for AI workflow automation, start by visiting the Zoho CRM website. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up button and click on it. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Fill in your first and last name in the respective fields. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred language for the interface. Next, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box confirming your acceptance. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed with your registration. A verification email will be sent to the email address you provided. Open your inbox and find the email from Zoho CRM. Click on the verification link within that email to verify your account. Once verified, you will be redirected to the Zoho CRM setup page. You will now see options to choose a plan. Select the plan that suits your business needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Continue button. You will be prompted to provide additional details about your business. Fill in the required fields, including company name and size. Next, enter your business phone number. After completing this section, click on Next to continue. You will be directed to set up your CRM preferences. Choose the modules you want to include in your CRM interface. Configure other settings according to your needs. Now that your account is set up, you can explore the dashboard. To access AI workflow automation, navigate to the Automation tab. Here, you can find various options for automation features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.